Hi all, here's my high fidelity prototype from last week's old wireframe. I wasn't very creative. I just took the assignment that had been kind of demoed and made my own version kind of associated with my school. So I took some of the information from our style guide for some of the layout properties and built that into this. One thing I had last week that was kind of lame was that you could only check and see the first class. So I decided to be able to do either a preview of any of these projects or be able to turn in from any of these projects. So we could confirm, submit, get success, return. All of that stuff works the same. So another thing that I added was that I thought you should be able to move between assignments that are due. So it just has simple right and left bars. If you get to the end of the list, that grays out. And if we get to the front of the list, it grays out too. And in retrospect, I kind of think that having all these slide animations is distracting. I had just noticed that XD, the new version of XD, had an auto animate transition, but that wasn't available in this file, and I'm wondering if that might be because the file was made with an older version of XD. So anyway, that's my setup.